The last 10 hours, she was able to say, please, can you explain the difference between buy limit and buy stop? Also explain further on false breakout. So I'm going to answer this false breakout question, and I promise to answer this buy limit and buy stop order for you before the next 24 hours. So let's dive in now. Yo, this is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and in today's video I'm happily awesome and also awesome to answer a special question asked by one of my special VIP signal member, which she wanted me to explain further for her more on what it means by false breakout. This is exactly what she asked me on the question on the YouTube channel. And also, if you have any question you want to ask me on the YouTube channel, kindly go and ask me now, and I promise to make any video for you for the next 24 hours answering your question live and direct here, because most of the times I usually answer 95% of the questions that people ask me on this awesome Boom and Crash Forex Gold Trading Channel. So let's dive in now. So how to identify false breakout? What we are going to discuss today is, number one, what is breakout? Number two, what entices traders to take breakout, as in what makes other traders to take breakout. Also, when will breakout traders get trapped, as in those that buy the false breakout, when will they get trapped? You're able to understand this. Also, how to profit from trap traders, as in how to make money from the trap traders that already buy breakout and you are not buying the same breakout with them. So you are going to place your position in the opposite direction of the momentum so that can be able to profit from their trap. Also, in my bonus tip, I'm going to tell you my last secret. So you need to stick to me in this video till the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you my last bonus tip, which is my top secret that I usually use in order to take my own trades when there is false breakout. So let's dive in now. So as I told you, one of my clients asked me, please, can you further explain the difference between buy limit and buy stop? So I'll answer this question in my next video, but I'm going to answer this question in my video right now, which is explain further on false breakout. So I'm going to explain full details of what you need to know on false breakout. And you can also go and check this full master boom and crash pullback spike strategy. It's a special strategy that you can be able to use and catch fullback using the boom and crash trading system. So if you are good to go, let's go in now. So now, what is breakout? So what is breakout? So breakout, it simply means a breakout occurs when the price extends a key level, or when a price sweeps liquidity for a key level. The meaning of this exceed and also sweep liquidity is almost the same thing. Whenever price sweep or exceed a key level or sweep liquidity for a key level, that is what we mean by false breakout. And let me give you a simple instance now as an example. Okay, look at it here. So look at it, this is a key level. This level you are seeing here, is a key level. We could check here, this level has been acting as resistance, support here, and is now acting as resistance. So what happened? Just look at what happened. If you look at this candle, let me show you. If you look at this candle, this green candle, if you look at it, this green candle has exceed these highs, as in it breaks above these highs. Or look at the size of the candle. It's very strong and very bullish. All other traders at this level, they will be buying this market. But what happened? Immediately the second candle reversed, and also the third candle formed something more of a shooting star. So what happened? The price sharply come back into trend. So let's assume somebody buy here and he stop his stop loss around here. Price will hit his stop loss. Price will surely hit your stop loss. So this is meant by breakout. Whenever price break above a recognized key level and come back into that range, that is a false breakout. That price has already go up there to sweep their liquidity and come back into the range. That is the simple explanation of false breakout. So let's move to our next on our list. So that is the simple definition of false breakout. Then the next one is what entices traders to take breakout. You need to understand why other traders are buying that breakout. As in those breakout traders that take that fake breakout, you need to understand what entices them to take that trade. As in what makes them to buy that market. And let me show you why they buy that market. So what entices traders to take breakout? Number one, fast moving market. You will get to realize that the previous example I show you, if you look at it, that candle that break above that highs, the candle come in a very, very strong momentum. So that's what you mean by fast moving market. The market will be moving very, very fast. People will be saying that, okay, this market is going higher high, higher high, higher high, let's buy this breakout. Even in your mind, the market will be telling you that buy this market, buy this market. But before you buy any breakout, I'm going to show you my on top secret at the end of this video, which you can be able to use and make sure you trade breakout profitably and avoid being trapped. So the second on our the second is big bold candles. What I mean by big bold candles, it means big body candles. You see, when price trying to break a level, you try to see that price will start be creating a strong candles. And let me show you what I mean here now. If you look at it at this level, these two bearish candles, before the market rebounds down here, these two bearish candles, let me even zoom out again a bit here. These two bearish candles, the bullish candles, if you notice it, they are bold, they are big, they are even bigger than these bearish candles we are seeing would make this small pullback here. So you need to understand that whenever you are buying breakout, consider those bold candles. If you see bold candles, you have to wait. Yes, you have to wait. So let's move to the third, which is fear of missing out. Some people, what they think is that this market will continue to go up or higher. The reason why they are buying is because they don't want to miss the big move in the market. That is what we mean by fear of missing out. If they are fear to miss out that entry, that means if the fear of missing out, if they are fear of missing out that trade, that's why you see they will be able to place entry anyhow, anyway, and by so doing they will get trapped from what? From the false breakout. So false breakout simply means market will break out in a direction that is not supposed to go, and market will instantly come back. The following candle or the next following candle will instantly come back into that range and continue with that market in the opposite direction of that previous earlier momentum. That is what we mean by false breakout. So let's go on now. Let's go back to our list, please. So now the number third on our list will be when will breakout traders get trapped? As in, how will you know that these breakout traders get trapped, or when, at what time you know that, okay, these breakout traders are being trapped by the market? Meaning the market has already moved in the normal direction that it's supposed to, and the market has left them in the opposite direction and they are trading the opposite direction. So market will come back into the other direction and hit all their stop losses, and market will continue to go off higher. So when will breakout traders get trapped? Let me show you now. So when will trade out traders get trapped? Trade out traders get trapped sudden 180-degree reversal. Whenever you observe a 180-degree reversal on any market condition after the fake out, or because some people call it fake out, some people call it false breakout, some people call it false break. Anyhow you call it, as far as you have a consistent rules and guidelines bounded it and you are trading it, you are very, very good to go this 2025. So also the second thing is strong reversal pattern into the opposite direction. Strong reversal pattern into the opposite direction. Let me show you what I mean. Look at it here now on the chart. These two candles were trying to break above these highs, but what happened? It was a false breakout. See first, second, third. Look at the third candle. It brings the market back into the range. Instead of market to continue going higher, the market sharply come back down. That's to tell you that that is a false breakout. That is a complete false breakout and is a fake out. So you should avoid that kind of trade. So these are the time that you'll get to understand that, okay, these breakout traders are being trapped by the market, and the market has quickly reversed and strong pattern in the opposite direction. See the strong pattern we are talking about here. This is the strong pattern. This pattern, this swing, this one swing is the strong pattern opposite the direction of the breakout. This is the breakout direction, but this is the opposite direction. So whoever, even just imagine, even though you place, this is 4 hours chart, man, you cannot place your stop loss somewhere around here. It's too high. So all those traders that put their stop loss was being hit by this reversal price action movement. That is what you need to understand with that. So let's go back to our next on our list. Okay, then the number 4, which is the second to the last, before I give you the bonus tip, which I want you to stick to me in this final video, because I'm going to give you my own top script I use to trade the breakout. So how to profit from trap traders, as in how are you going to make money with the trap trade? That's why I told you, sometimes as a good trader, you are acting as if you are a bad person, but you are not a bad person, because you are trying to follow the smart money trade so that they will be able to hit stop losses of all other retail traders. If you want to make money in this business, if you want to make money consistently trading either Boom&Crash, forex, majors, crypto, any form of market you want to trade in 2025, as far as you are understanding what to buy, how to buy, when to buy, you are very good to go. You just need a good information that will make you understand what is happening in the market, how are you going to approach the market, what will be your entry point, what will be your exit, and that is exactly what you need to do as a trader. For those that are not experienced trader, possibly the reason why I did this for beginners traders, I know a lot of beginners traders who are caught in a breakout. I know somebody came to me last week or last 2 weeks with an account. He's losing almost $800 to $900 on a single account, and he placed so many trades. So please try and understand that they don't trade breakout like that. If you want to trade breakout, you must make sure you have a rules, you have a guidelines for that breakout strategy to be executed, which I'm going to share every details for you in this my last bonus tip. So how to profit from trap traders? Let me show you now. Look at it. How to profit from trap traders? Number 1, look for strong momentum move into a key level. Look for what? A strong momentum move. And let me show you what I mean by strong momentum move into a key level. You want to see, this is a key level, this one, because this level has acted, look at it. This level has acted, you see, this level has acted as support before, but it's acting as resistance now. Look at it, it's acting as resistance. So when market come, make a pullback, try to break out this level, what happened? There was a reversal. Look at it. This is what it means. So if you want to make sure you profit from trap traders, please look for a momentum move into a key level. You need to see a good momentum move into a key level. This is the key level. You see good movement, so you should wait. That's the first condition. That's the first thing you need to do. Second thing you need to do, wait for a strong price reversal and enter on the next often. It says wait for a price action reversal. This is me, and enter out the no. If it is me, since I know that this was a false breakout and I see this red candle, as far as this shooting star was formed, and I know it's on the 4 hours chart, immediately the shooting star has finished producing, I will enter my market. This is where I will enter my market. This is the close. Look at it. There was no wick. Look at the candle. For you to know that this is a false breakout, the candle has no wick to the top. So that's to tell you that buyers are not in this market. Buyers are not in this market. Buyers are not willing to buy this market. Only sellers are willing to sell them. I look at the candles continue coming. This is the price we started seeing buyers, because this is a support level, a strong support level for that matter. So you definitely see buyers around this level. So this is forex gold trading channel. Please, if you are finding any value on this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video to your loved ones so that we can be able to catch the fish together. So you need to understand that very well. So let's move to the next. The next thing, set your stop loss away from the market structure. If you are buying this kind of market, make sure you are setting your stop loss away from a buy market structure. Let's assume this is where I want, you see, let's assume I sell this market now. I sell this market now. But what happened? My stop loss is, I put my stop loss along, let's say I put my stop loss here. Let's say I put my stop loss here. I put my stop loss around this area. That's 180 above my entry point. But if you look at something, there was what? There was, if you look at something on the other end, there was some major level around here. There are some major levels around here. So please, you can ignore this one because the major level is not very close to my entry point. Let's assume I'm selling this market now and I put my stop loss 180 above my level. 180 above my level. Sorry, I have to zoom out. So 180 okay, this is the level. This is the level. So this is the level. So I sold my market at this level and I'm coming down here. Your stop loss should be a bit, let's say you can use 180 as your stop loss. If you don't know what ATR means, or you can check my channel in the description. I have some videos that I explain for you how to use ATR and place your stop loss as a beginner trader. So let's move on now. The fourth on our list is take profit at a nearest swing low. So you should take your profit as a let's assume I sell this breakout. So I should take my profit around here because this is nearest swing low. And possibly if it is me, I'm not even going to wait for the market to come here. I will just wait for as the market reach certain level here, I will just close because I know that this is a support level and buyers are willing to enter into this market at this level to push the price higher. So I will definitely exit my trade as my target. So this is the simple scenario you need to understand using pure false breakout and also price action trading system. In my next video, I'm going to discuss fully about what it means by buy stop order and sell stop order that this woman asked me, and I'm going to make sure I explain everything detailed as possible. So let me move to the last on our list, bonus tip. So our bonus tip is my top secret of how I use my own system to trade the false breakout. So let me show you my conditions and my guidelines and my rules for this awesome false breakout trading system. So now on the bonus tip, I want you to understand these conditions, because if you have this condition put in place, you'll be able to get good trading setup in the market. Number one, you want to trade off obvious levels. Sure, you want to trade from an obvious level. Look at it. What it means by an obvious level? An obvious level simply means it's a level where a lot of people have eyes on it. As in, if you look at this place now, by mainly looking at this place now, look at it. Okay, this 4 hours chart. I'm coming. Where is that? My set off. I'm coming. Okay, this is it. This is it. This is it. So this is my setup. So it says you want to trade off obvious level. Look at it. This is an obvious level. This is an obvious. This is our swing high. This is our swing low. So they are obvious levels. So these levels are, if you look, this is 4 hours chart. So these levels are also key levels on the higher time frame, looking at the daily and also the weekly. So these are the kind of levels you should put your eyes on. And also, these are the kind of levels that other traders outside there are seeing, and they will try as much as they can to make sure they trade these levels. So please try and understand that this is a simple thing for you to understand, but you must make sure you have some rules and some guidelines bounding it for you to be able to make money with it. So let's move to the next. The next is you want big bold candles approaching a price level. As I showed you here, when you want to trade a breakout, you want to see big candles approaching that level that need to be broken out. so that if the levels is not broken, you will use that reversal pressure and trade against the initial momentum that push up the price higher like this. So you must make sure you are trading in an opposite of the word of the big bullish candles. You need to see these big candles. Like me, whenever I see big bullish candles or big bearish candle indicator of bearish market structure, not bullish, I will make sure I look at what is making those candles to be very bullish. Possibly they are the candles are approaching a key level, and that is why those candles are printing big. So I have to wait and see, will there be a chance for me to take a breakout trade, or are there traders who are enticed by this breakout, or are there traders that traded? Because me personally, I trade against the traders that break trade out, because I always make sure I wait for the reversal confirmation for me to take my trade in the opposite direction of the what? Of the breakout. Because you must make sure you avoid false breakout by any means. If you cannot avoid false breakout as a trader, you will definitely lose money in the long run. Trust me. If you cannot avoid false breakout as a trader, you will surely lose money in the long run. That is one, no cap. So let's move to the last on our still our bonus tip. So you want a strong reversal pattern. You see, you want a strong reversal pattern, 1.5 ATR. Let me show you what I mean by one. Look at it here. You need to have a strong reversal pattern. You need a strong reversal pattern. Look at this, is a strong reversal pattern. And what I mean by 1.5 ATR, let's assume right now, let me even pull out my ATR indicator so that I can show you what it means by ATR. Let me put it here, ATR, average true range. Look at it here. I usually use 21 as my period. That's the one I always use, 21, and leave it. Okay, I'm done. So this is ATR. So now let me give you an instance. Let's assume when we have this setup, this one, let me show you this one, this setup. When we see this reversal, this bullish breakout now, when we see this bullish breakout now, at this level, let me check the ATR value. This is the ATR value. The ATR value should be 146.37. That's the ATR value. So the ATR value for this market, the average trend for this market is 146 pips. 146 pips. So now, if after this breakout and you have that is our 1 ATR. So 1.5 ATR will be 46 times 1.5, which is around 200 plus. So if you have 200 plus pips downward, which I'm very sure from this level to this level, from this level to this level is more than 200 pips. This one. From this level, look at it. You see? From this level to this high level is more than 200 pips. You see? 471, 251, which is around 201 pips. So you just enter your trade after this candle. That's why you'll enter your trade. That is meant by 1 ATR. If you ever see 1.5 ATR average true range reversal into the market range, you can just assume that you have a second or a third confluence, because these are more of confluences. You need this first confluence, you need the second confluence, you need the third confluence, and the last confluence is the further away opposing pressure is better. That's meant by opposing pressure. What I mean by opposing pressure, this is an opposing pressure. This one, this level is an opposing pressure, because this is a level where if you started selling, where is a level where buyers will be able to step in? This is the level that buyers may step in to push the price higher. And at the same time, have one buyers reach this level, tap into this other block zone, the price go off higher. So that is what you need to understand when you are trading the breakout. That's why you see sometimes I always try and make sure I get a good entry point to give you a good signal that you can be able to trade breakout profitably. Whenever there is false breakout, the opposing pressure will always be sharp, because there will always be a strong movement in the opposite direction. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and these are my top scripts that I always look at. You can take a screenshot and make sure you put all these rules and guidelines into consideration before you take any trade using false breakout trading system. So nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.